In this video, I will be demoing Litify's AI-powered data entry from files feature, starting with medical bills. This feature will extract data that's buried in your medical bills and use AI to populate information into records, saving your team time and putting all of this information and data into structured formats within Litify to make it easily viewable and reportable. So let's get started. As you'll see, I'm on a matter record within Litify, and I'm looking at my documents. I'm going to navigate to my medical bills that I've received from my providers. So I want to extract data from these medical bills and put these into records. So I'm going to use this new autofill records file action. This will open a new tab in your browser, so I can also reference back to the matter if I need to. If I go back to this page here, you'll see that the AI is scanning the document and it's going to pull out information and suggest records within Litify and fields to put that information into. So now you'll see the AI has finished scanning the document and it suggested some records to either update or create based on this medical bill. So to start, you can see we have our party record where we've pulled in rehab pros. You'll notice anywhere that the AI extracted information, there is a magic wand letting you know that this information came from the medical bill. You'll also notice this is pulling out an existing record because Rehab Pros already exists as a party within my Litify org. What I can now do is review the document in this side-by-side view along with the records that I plan to update or create. So here I want to check that the address is correct and that this is the right party. It is, and so with that I will close the party record as that is good to go. You'll also see I've pulled up my role record, which is existing. I've already created this role because I reached out with a request to the provider and I created the role at that point. So this is confirming that I've pulled in the appropriate role from the matter where I ran this medical bill and the party that we were able to pull out of the medical bill. This information also all looks good, so I'm going to close this. Now you'll see I have a damage that the AI is suggesting I create to track the information from this medical bill. You'll also see that there's a 2 here, meaning there's 2 related records, which are these 2 damage payments that the AI also found so that I can create these damage payments and properly track that against the damage. So you'll notice there's a few fields here that I've pulled out information. There's the amount billed, where I've pulled out the total charges, the total insurance payments, total adjustments, as well as the amount paid. You'll also see that this linked AI is linking this damage to the provider and role that it already found above. From here, I can also review the damage payments. I'll see that I'm tracking the adjustments in this payment record, as well as the insurance payments in this record. It looks like the insurance information is blank here because there was no insurance on this medical bill, but if that information was provided, that would populate in these damage payments as well. Since this information all looks correct to me, I'm going to complete a little bit more information on this right-hand side, and then I'll go ahead and save these records. So I will name this Pro Rehab, and I'm going to mark this as a medical bill. And after reviewing all of this looks correct, so I'm going to go ahead and save these records. When I save these records, I'll be able to go directly to anything I have just updated or created. So in this case, I want to just review this damage that is newly created and confirm that everything here is filled out correctly. Lastly, if I go back to the matter, you'll now see there's this AI wand here, indicating that the AI has already processed this medical bill. This way, if anyone else comes into the case and they see there's this new medical bill, they'll know it's already been processed and this information has already gone into the appropriate records within Litify. I can also see who ran that AI within the history tab of the file itself.